All right, so we installed a 2 million BTU Pentair Power Max heater here. Went ahead and installed 2 new isolation valves from the main filtration equipment. So water comes up, hits a flow switch. That way the heater does not kick on unless there's flow running through this loop. There's a return sensor here. This is the takeoff for the heater. This is the return from the heater, and then it goes back down into the ground or goes through a supply sensor here. So all this is all Schedule 80 PVC. Where the really hot water goes through is Schedule 80 CPVC. So that's heat and chemical resistant chlorinated polyvinyl chloride piping. We got a couple of disconnects, one for the pump on this heater, as well as the boiler control. So that's for your control circuits. Service outlet in this equipment room. Plumbing is all nicely mounted to the wall. Secure, sturdy, so it will not get damaged. Coming down, all of our plumbing's labeled, all the sensors, all that's labeled, so that way the maintenance technician or another repair guy from our company knows exactly what's going on. A couple of unions here, you can loosen the unions, fix any of the connections, plumbing connections wise. So this heater has a actuator on it. It keeps a warm water going through the heat exchanger, keeps it from condensating. That's a huge feature on this heater. Temperature and pressure relief is piped down within 6 inches of the ground, no threaded end. And then flow switch on this heater. California requires a low water cutoff switch on these boilers, so that's added on to these heaters right here. Coming around over here, we got a new 2-inch gas line. We had to arrange that a little bit differently from the old heater. Gas shutoff valve, sediment trap there. And then on the return side of the heater is the boiler pump. That facilitates water going in and out of the heater. This heater's on right now, it's heating. Super quiet heater, very efficient, good quality unit. New thing is with the new Power Maxes, they have a digital screen here where it's touchscreen. Allows you to change the settings really easily. Allows you to see what's going on the heater just at a glance like that. But yeah, that's a wrap for this install.